Dropshipping versus traditional e-commerce. What's the difference and which one actually makes sense? At first glance, it might seem they're basically the same thing. You sell products online and make money. But when you look closer, the way they work is pretty different. Because traditional e-commerce involves buying product in bulk, storing them somewhere and handling shipping yourself. On the other hand, dropshipping flips that. You list product online and when someone orders, the supplier ships directly to the customers. No inventory in your hands, lower upfront cost but less control. So in this video, we will break down both models, compare their pros and cons and explore how Doba can make dropshipping smoother. The idea is to understand which models fit different situations and why dropshipping can be sometimes be simpler to start without a huge investment. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video and let's look at how each models actually work. So traditional e-commerce is the classic setup. You buy product upfront, store them in a warehouse or even at a home and manage each order. That includes packaging, shipping and handling returns. You have full control over branding, product presentations and shipping speed, which can be a difference for repeat customers and reviews, and the downside, more responsibility and upfront costs. On the other hand, dropshipping works differently. You list product online, but the supplier handles storage and shipping, and when a customer pays an order, it's shipped directly from the supplier, and this reduces startup costs and let you experiment with product without committing large sum of money. But the trade-off is less control over stock, shipping speed and product quality. Now let's talk about pros and cons of each model. Now if you talk about pros of traditional e-commerce, then you will have full control over inventory, shipping and branding. You have also ability to customize products and packaging, higher potential profit margin when buying in bulk. Now cons of traditional e-commerce is high upfront costs to purchase inventory, more time spent managing stock and fulfilling orders, handling returns and customer service can be complex and time consuming. On the other hand, if you talk about pros of dropshipping, then that is lower startup costs, no inventory upfront, easy to test different products without it. But the cons of dropshipping is lower profit margins, suppliers charge more per unit, less control over stock and shipping, customer service depends on supplier reliability, which can sometimes lead to delays or even complaints. Now both models have clear benefits and challenges, and choosing one depends on your goal, budget and how much hands-on work you want to do. And this is where Doba comes in. Dropshipping can work, but managing multiple suppliers, tracking inventory and ensuring fast shipping can get tricky. But don't worry and see how Doba simplified this. Doba gives access to millions of products from various suppliers all in one place. This saves time compared to searching for supplier individually. You will also get real-time update, help avoid selling product that are out of stock, reducing refunds and unhappy customers. Also, suppliers ship directly to a customer, so you don't need a warehouse or to handle shipping logistics. And this is really one of my favorite. Doba offers things like AI Store Builder, Auto Listener and AI Optimizer. These tools can help set up listing, keep products updated and optimize store performance. And your focus remains on selecting products and growing your store, not replacing your efforts. With Doba, dropshipping is less about logistics and more about choosing the right product and managing your store efficiently. Now let's compare a real-world example between traditional store and the dropshipping store. So imagine a traditional store owner selling t-shirts. The owner buys 500 shirts, stores them and ships every order. Full control over shipping, packaging and branding, but it takes more work and upfront costs. On the other hand, the dropshipper listed the same t-shirt online. When someone orders, the supplier ships directly. Less work upfront, but quality and delivery speed depends on the supplier. And if this dropshipping stores uses Doba, many of the common risks are reduced because on Doba, suppliers are vetted, inventory updates are automatic and fulfillment is handled. And yes, I agree this does not remove all challenges, but it makes the process just smoother and less more stressful for the store. So now the question is, which model is better? Well, it really depends. For traditional e-commerce works if you have capital, want full control and ready to handle inventory, shipping and returns. It's really great for building a brand with unique products and packaging. And for dropshipping, it works if you want lower risks, flexibility and an easier way to start. Testing product is simpler and scaling does not require buying warehouses or inventory. And also Doba helps dropshipping by making supplier management, inventory tracking and order fulfillment simpler. It does not solve everything. Profit margins, branding and customer experience still need attention, but it reduces a lot of day-to-day headache. Now here are some practical tips for dropshipping. First of all and most important, pick reliable supplier. Check their ratings, shipping times and reviews. Doba also helps with this. Monitor stocks, real-time updates prevent selling out of stock items. Focus on fast shipping. Quick delivery improves customer satisfaction. Clear titles, description and image helps conversion. And be selective with products. Don't list everything. Choose items that fits your niche and audience. Also must test products before for scaling. Small test orders helps identify issues with quality or shipping speed. Following these steps can prevent common dropshipping headaches and make the business more sustainable. To wrap it up, traditional e-commerce gives more control and potentially higher margins but requires more money, work and time. On the other hand, dropshipping reduces upfront risk, simplifies operations and allows faster testing of product but depends on the supplier. And Doba helps dropshipping by managing supplier, inventory and order fulfillment. Its optional AI tool can save time and keep listing organized but does not replace effort or strategy. Understanding bot models helps make an informed decision. And remember, dropshipping is not automatically easier than traditional e-commerce, but it can be simpler to start, and with tools like Doba, managing it become much more manageable. So if this breakdown helps you understand the difference between dropshipping and traditional e-commerce, hit that like button and the subscribe button for more practical tips. Also, if you're curious about trying dropshipping with Doba, then check out the link in the description to explore their platform and see how it could be fit in your online store strategy. And if you have any questions or queries related to this video, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about Doba, an AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now.